Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get Snapchat Plus subscription on Android or iPhone. So let's get started. So if you want to get a Snapchat Plus subscription, now to get that, what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application, and after opening up your Snapchat, just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top left, and after tapping on the profile icon, just tap on Snapchat Plus, which you can find in your profile page. So over here you just have to tap on Snapchat Plus and then tap on next if you want to take a subscription. So before taking a subscription, you just have to make sure that you are in a correct region. So currently subscription is not available in certain regions. So you just have to make sure that it is available in your country. So if it's not, then what you have to do is just simply use a VPN if you want. So you can just simply use a VPN and then take a subscription. So what you can do is just simply use the VPN, turn on your VPN, change your location to United States or Brazil, and you can just simply go ahead and then take a subscription of Snapchat. So you can just simply do this and you can get a Snapchat Plus subscription. So that's it guys, this is how to get Snapchat Plus subscription on Android or iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.